guys, it's Jada Donna back with another mother effing video, and today I'm going to be doing a wig install. 2 videos on one day that I'm recording. I'm uploading it 2 different days though, but listen, getting that work done. So I'm gonna show you guys me braiding my hair down. Gonna fast forward it, getting in between, you know, like when I get towards the middle, or just gonna fast forward it because that's gonna take a minute. And then I'm gonna install my hair. Right now I'm plucking the wig. I washed it earlier while I was doing like the other video, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I started plucking on this side of the wig, and this side is not plucked yet. You can see it's more thick and full over here, and I need it to be plucked so it can look more natural. It's not much of a difference. I'm probably gonna pluck a little more, but this is how this side's looking, and then this is how this side looks. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done plucking the hair so I can start braiding down my hair. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm about to start braiding my hair. I finished combing the hair out and flattening it. So we about to get into it. So here you can see me parting the hair. I'm starting from the right side of my head, going back, and I really do not know how to cornrow, so I really just be doing anything trying to get it back. But I mean, at the end it does work. It looks like some cornrows from afar, but when you get close it just be looking like some dookie braids. Guys, I swear my arms be getting so tired so quickly. I had to lean back and start braiding. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this video was taken like probably 2 weeks ago. So it was about 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna let the rest just go through with music playing in the background. I don't really have anything else to say for this, but the fact that I'm just braiding it back, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna skip that part through.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill, and I might hit your phone up with that bye. Missing my da-da-da, missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, no shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face, why you eat that? Tryna make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you, put the pussy away for you, thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio made me fulfill, and I might hit your phone up with that bye. Missing my da-da-da, missing that and all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. Problematic. That dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic, all in your acrobatic. You know I'm ecstatic. Tell me to throw it back.
Now I'm finally finished. Now me having my eyes closed. I was getting so tired, guys. My hands was hurting and everything. It was just tiring. finished, and these little braids, not so braids on my head. And I'm gonna use my grow oil Y'all can't tell me it don't really look like cornrows from afar. Like, it kind of do. If you look real hard, you can see it's not. But it be looking like some cornrows. Guys, when I tell y'all I'm not on the cornrow, I just do whatever the juice. So, that is that. And now I'm going to get some edge control on my glasses, and brush it back, and then lay it down my edges. So I'm gonna use some of this edge control, Murray's Edge Wax. I'm gonna use some of this, and then I'm gonna go over it with the Got2b spray. So here I was just talking about how I was using the Got2b spray, that I was going to spray over it, I was going to brush it back, and then blow dry it again. So I'm gonna cut the ears part first and then wrap the cap around my ear. On this side I try to be a little bit more gentle because I have a piercing right there and it's still kind of be hurting. Then I'm gonna use the Ebin spray, the red bottle, and make sure I can get that cap like really laid down. By the way, when I blow dry I do use a cool setting. So here you see me cutting the ear parts, and then I'm gonna start cutting the back area too, which is kind of a struggle, but I can get it. Now I always mess up here for some reason. I don't know, I feel like I sometimes cut too much and then I'm like, dang, now I can see my hair. And I just mess it up a little bit, but I always make sure I can get it to work at the end. So I'm going to use the cream foundation that I have and put it around the cap so it looks like it's giving bald. So here I'm going to cut some of the lace back into 3 sections because it's easier for me to lay it like that. I make sure I adjust it in the right spot, so when I put that glue, all I have to do is lay it down. So here I'm applying the glue. I'm gonna do this about probably like 3 to 4 times and then put the wig on. You have to push more towards like the hairline area, and it just sticks. So that's what I'm doing. So I cut my elastic band in half, thinking that it was going to be a little easier, because when it's smaller like that and skinnier, it's kind of easier to lay down. But I cut it so the stuff from the elastic band was kind of getting apart and all that stuff and messing up. Right here, I'm splitting it in the middle, trying to get that even middle part, but I noticed while I was doing it that I actually have to start plucking more in the middle because it was just too much hair. And I kind of think I overplucked it a little bit, but I mean, it wasn't that bad. I try to refine it a little bit more so I can make sure it's actually sticking. As you guys can see, like, I'm doing it again. I added, I think, more Ebin spray to the scalp, and then I just go on with that. So here now I'm styling it. I got my wax stick and I'm gonna get my hot comb to comb it back and make sure it's laid down. I need that flat. Guys, I'm really not that well with doing edges, so you're gonna see it just does not look that well, but I try to just make it work somehow.
To the stove for the TP, now she need me on a weekly basis. You ain't gotta see me, I just wanna see the freaking faces. Hookah got a toot and that booty on up. I gotta do to bring that booty to the we done sex enough, we got the four. I'm going willy-nilly, she gon' loosey goosey, put that juicy in the cup. I know she really feelin', she gon' do it to me, I don't wanna screw it up. Cause she just needs some more of me at home, but I'ma still need that 1150. Cause a billy don't ride on pussy thoughts alone. Unless you wanna hop in your shit, come get it. Sound like a better plan to me, cause that nigga spending all his money on you. Sound like a better man than me, cause homie, all she wanna do is drink.
Lego. No time for bad energy. More life and it's more money. In my life today, God on my side today. Can decide, oh. Whether it's the Henny and nice, can decide, oh. Whether the we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. She said me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood, I'm in the mega mood. High life, get that way. tough life far away from you. I wanna see the view. Watch the world, I wanna be on beachside in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah. Anyway.
Thank you guys for watching. I know this took a long time, but I am doing this step by step for the first time on each video. So I hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Share it with your auntie, your uncles, your grandma, your grandpa, your mama, your dad, your brothers and sisters, everybody. Share it with your friends, please. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the bell. Bye.